This is Dr. Mudit Bansal. I am a veterinary surgeon, ophthalmologist in Satellite Ahmedabad. So we're discussing about digital eye strain. So what exactly is digital eye strain? As the name suggests, it's an eye strain, and since it is because of an exposure to digital media or the screen time, the term comes in digital eye strain. So how does it happen? It happens because of prolonged exposure to the screens by lack of blinking. When you're blinking less than what we should be, glares on the screen, glare coming from the screen, as well as the overhead lights which are producing glare on the reflection on the screen. Improper viewing distance, either we are too close or we are too distant, and the eyes are straining too much to read the letters or to see the objects. Poor seating posture. These are the seating posture and all would be mainly for shoulder pain, neck pain, and headaches. But these are the general things which happen. So now, how can we really? What are the exact symptoms for a person to really identify that this is eye strain? So what the person generally feels is heaviness of the eyes, the strain of the eyes. You feel like closing the eyes, burning sensation, grittiness kind of a thing, foreign body sensation. All those things give you a symptom, tell us a way of the body telling you that it's eye strain that you're developing. And when it is happening because of an overexposure to the screen, it is what is known as a digital eye strain. So, what is the treatment? Frankly, instead of treatment, I would say it would be more of a prevention, because per se, medically, there's no specific treatment in terms of medications to relieve you of digital eye strain or reduce the eye strain symptoms. The best cure is prevention. And how do you prevent it? Is number one, of course, if you can reduce the number of hours of screen exposure, that would be best. The second thing is to follow 20-20-20 rule. So you're in front of the screen for 20 minutes, then for 20 seconds you're off the screen, and the third 20 is when you're off the screen for 20 seconds, you're looking at a far away object. So that would be 20-20-20, 20 minutes on, 20 seconds off, and 20 feet looking away 20 feet. And if you're still need to be on the screen for longer period of time, so you should be taking a break of about 15 to 20 minutes every 2 hours. This is for the professionals, people who have to be on computers for n number of hours. You need to have a proper exposure, proper posture, and sitting. The best thing is would be to have reduced lighting. You need to reduce the brightness, you need to reduce the background illumination, you need to reduce the surrounding illumination which is falling onto the screen. So all these things put an additional strain onto the eyes. So you would want to adjust the settings on your computer, on the laptop, or on the mobile, and you would want to keep the surrounding lights on a dimmer level. Do make sure to blink the eyes often, because when we are concentrating on a particular object, while it is if it is while reading or while seeing onto the screen, we tend to blink less. That produces the dryness of the cornea and produces blurring of the eyes. So if you intentionally try to make a conscious effort that you're blinking your eyes so that the cornea remains wet. So that is what, in a nutshell, about digital eye strain. So the bottom line is prevention is always better than cure, specifically for this particular condition. Thank you so much for the pleasant hearing. Thank you so much.